भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलम्.
Education means to become human being. Chanakya Pandit, he also, although he was a politician, but Brahmana, he also says, who is educated, Pandit. The Brahman is known as Pandit. So what is the sign of Pandit? He has summarized. Matrivat paradareshu paradrabbeshu lostavat atvat sarvabhuteshu japasati sa Pandit. Pandit means Matrivat paradareshu, to accept all women as mother. Paradareshu. Daro means wife and para means other. Except his own wife, he should treat all women outside, taking them as mother. Therefore, still in Hindu society, every woman is addressed by an unknown man, mother. It doesn't matter if a person is unknown, he can speak with another woman, addressing her first, mother, Mataji, then nobody will be offended. This is etiquette. That is taught by Chanakya Pandit. Matrivat paradareshu. Woman should be addressed as mother. And paradrabbeshu lostava. And others' property should be accepted as some pebbles on the street. Nobody cares for it. If some pebbles, some stones are thrown in the street, nobody cares for it. Garbage. So nobody should touch others' property. Nowadays the education is how to make friendship with other wife and how to take away others' money by tricks. This is not education. The education is here. Matrivat paradareshu paradabbeshu lostavat atvat sarvabhuteshu. Sarvabhuteshu, in all living entities, there are 8,400,000 different forms of living entities. The grass is also a living entity and Brahma is also a living entity. So, a Pandit accepts everyone as living entity and he deals with them atmavat. What I feel pains and pleasure, I must deal with others by the same sentiment. Therefore, modern days nationality means human being. But actually, the animals, they are also national. National means one is born in the same country, according to their definition. The national word is never found in the Vedic literature. This is modern invention. Here, atva sarvabhuteshu. It doesn't matter whether one is national or outside or national. Sarvabhuteshu. Here is also, it is said, sarvabhuta surita. Srit, friend, Velusha, sarvabhuta. Why I shall think only well for my relatives or my family member? That is kripana, miser. A broad-minded Brahmana should be engaged for doing good to all, everyone. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission is পৃথিবীতে আছে যত নগরাদি গ্রাম. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never instructed that you should limit your preaching within your society or within your country. He is asking, পৃথিবীতে আছে যত নগরাদি গ্রাম, as many villages and towns are there on the surface. That's all, I don't need to. সর্বত্র প্রচার হইবে মন. This is the mission. This is Vedic knowledge. সর্বভূত সুহৃত.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,